Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to actually edit your exercise in MyFitnessPal. So, as always, go ahead and open your phone if you have it in your phone. So, go ahead to your phone, go to App Store if you have iOS or Android, go to Google Play, and then download MyFitnessPal. Then create your account and open the application. Now, if you have this PC like me, you just go to any kind of browsers, go to URL section, and then from there, write myfitnesspal.com. So create an account again and log into it. So when you create your account, this page shall be open for you. Now, what we're going to do is go to exercise. And first to edit an exercise, we will have to be having some kind of exercise. So go to exercises and create exercise. Here, let's create an exercise, which is, for example, running or cardio for 45 minutes and calorie burn, something like that. Now, let's add it. And just like so, I have added my running or my exercise. If you go back to exercises and click on running, so let me just click on it, you will have this edit your personal exercise. So here guys, you can actually edit your exercise, changing name, type, your weight, minute, calories that have you have consumed by running or like that you have like lost by running. And after that, for example, let's change this to, for example, 60 and save. As you can see here, I have changed it, and if I go here it will be changed even here. So here is, let me just change this real quick. So my exercises running, let me just make this like let me just change this to 30 minutes and save this, change the saves. So if I go here, remove this and re-add it, it will be updated. And just like so, we have been editing our exercise. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.